Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we're in canva.com, right? And basically what we're going to be doing is to look at some of the editing features that Canva has, right? So I've already went ahead to input a 5-second video, right? And we are going to have this played so that you guys can see what it's looking like. So it's basically a female just walking out of a store, right? So the first feature that we're going to be using is the speed feature. So once you click on the video, right, at the top you're going to see the options that you have. So we're going to go ahead and click on speed, right? And if it is that we go up, it means that the video is going to move fast, right? And if it is that we go down, the video is going to go ahead to almost be in slow motion, right? So what we're going to do is to put it to slow motion, right? And there we have it. So now what we're going to do is to go ahead to play that video once more. And you're going to see the difference. So as you can see, she's taking her time, grooving out that store. Awesome. So now we're going to look at another feature. And that feature is the split feature. So again, you definitely want to select the video by clicking on it, right? And you're just going to hover this bar right here to where it is that you want to have the video split, right? So I'm just going to go ahead here. Just click on it and move it to where you want for it to split. So I'm going to go right here, click on it, click on the video, and this is the option to split. So we're going to go ahead to split. So just like that, we have two separate videos. So for us to, if it is that you click on this, you're only editing this video. If it is that you click on the first one, then you're only editing the first video. So for this one, we're just going to go ahead to split it once more, right? And this is due to the fact that I want to show you guys something. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on split. So there and then we have our split videos. So for the second video, I'm going to go ahead to have this cropped. So we're going to click on the option that says crop, right? And for here, we can go ahead to zoom it up, right? Or we can minimize it, right? So basically, I want for it to be zoomed up a bit just to keep the focus a little bit above our knees, right? So we're basically losing the fleets at this point, right? So we're just going to go ahead and click on done. So let's just look at this. So we're only seeing the knees upwards. Well, let's go again. Okay. So far it's in slow motion, right? And here it is when we bring it up a bit. Then of course it's going to go back in its normal walk. So what I want to do with the third section, I'm going to go ahead to click on it, right? And I still want to use the crop feature because what I want to do is to get her face mostly. So you just have to be pulling, dragging and pulling and all of them stuff. Right, so we're almost there. So I want it from about the waist up, right? And we're going to leave it like that. And of course, you have to click on done. So let's go here with our bar. And we're going to start this video from the top. Okay, we're almost there. And you can actually see that difference, right? And of course, we also have the option that says transition. So there's quite a lot of editing options, but we're just going through a few. So this, right, actually shows how one video is going to transition into the other, right? So I'm just going to go ahead to put this down a bit in terms of the duration, and that will be it. And I'm going to do it for the second video as well. So you basically just have to hover your mouse right here and then it will show. So just hover your mouse betwixt the video and you'll see the option here that says add transition, and you go ahead to click there. So there is a lot of different transition, right? So let's just use two separate ones. Oh guys, it's so late. And we're going to go ahead to play this video once more. And here's the transition. Here's the other transition, right? And of course, you can also go ahead to like add text to it, right? So we can definitely go ahead and click on the text option, right? Let's go to, mhm. Okay, let's use this one.